a quick test to compare different brands of C470 JBC style chips, soldering chips. These ones are the Magima that came with the T61 station. Let's see. It can't maintain the full power, and for me it is lying the temperature on the chip. I doubt that it can reach this temperature when submerged on water. Okay. Another Magima that came with the T61. Same thing happened. It can't maintain the full power, and for me it is lying the temperature on the chip. Okay. The third Magima. This is the best or the better one that came with the station, T61. This one can maintain, oh no, it can't maintain the full power when submerged. Okay. But it maintains a higher level of current draw. Okay, let's see a no-name generic chip. It maintains 2.6 amps. The temperature reading is 140. Okay. The station is plugged to the 220 volts mains. Okay, let's see the Gboom. Opa. Here. Gboom. Three amps, a higher power level, stable temperature. Okay. Gboom again. Okay. Let's see. Almost 3 amps again. I didn't saw the temperature. Let's see the temperature. A lower temp. Okay. A third Gboom. Okay. Three amps, 3.1, 115, less than 120 degrees. Okay. And now original JBC. Let's see. .7 amps, 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the last chip. This is a original JBC, the large one. .7 amps, 120 degrees, and I have more generic chips. A no-name chip, .280, 150 degrees, and the last one, another generic no-name. .8, 110 degrees. As can be seen, the two of the original chips that came with the station are of lower quality chips. The Gboom are the higher power level chips, and the JBC are stable, medium power, 2.7, around 2.7 amps at 220 mains. Okay, as I talked with Himera on the start of this year, when I bought this station, and talked with her about the high power level of this station. The Gboom are the best choice with higher level power level and a good price.